Around the end of 1969, Emerson suggested a very interesting problem to generalize his famous work with Okamoto to spin-off bundles using the Dirac operator. Their collaboration happened in the home ground of Harishchandra. Okamoto once told me that while Okamoto would attend Harishchandra's lectures, Emerson would work in the library and bring deep analytical inputs and working ideas and insight to discuss. Besides what I had learnt in Lee theory, Emerson suggested Helgerson's book. Carsten from MIT had come and gone. As official notes writer, my time was spent mostly for that. No benefit from me from this for Emerson's problem. Then began a short period of total devotion to the Emerson Okamoto preprint, with Emerson closely monitoring my progress and understanding. Very soon things took a positive turn, and I began to write an algebraic expression for the Dirac operator on general Riemann symmetric spaces and calculated its square. Narasimhan was extremely pleased with this significant step. The project was coming to a fruitful closure, and I had applied for leave. Emerson rejected my leave application, all for my own benefit. Leave is not a matter of right, he retorted vociferously. He personally carried my manuscript to the Nice Congress in 1970. From the time of my TIFR selection interview till he left TIFR in 1992, he had influenced me a lot, far beyond being my thesis advisor. Post-PhD, I continued to keep him updated about my later interests and research. In 1974, I shifted from Brahmagupta flatlet to Bhaskara apartment. We will discuss many aspects of representation theory in his room, in my room, sometimes both morning and afternoon, and on the way back home in the evening. In Bhaskara colonnade, my lift comes first, but he would hold me and continue discussion, all the while carrying 3 or 4 heavy volumes for his reading. If I were to be reborn in another birth as a mathematician, I wish to have all these precious and priceless experiences with Emerson reborn as my guide. I attended all special events marking his milestones. Also the joint Emerson Seshadri 60th birthday event in TIFR Blazers. At a social event on the East Lawn, as part of the proceedings, being the dean, I had to talk covering several aspects, including personal reminiscences. It was followed by high tea at the faculty lounge. At the faculty room, Emerson was in high spirits, complimenting me for my speech. He will go join others, but bounced back to me and praised me once more, enthusiasm not diminished even a little bit. He graciously accepted Venkatamana's invitation. It is amazing how, in the 1 week after Emerson's passing away, we are all able to recall and recollect what we thought were most insignificant interactions with Emerson, but now they come back to us with value enhanced and multifold. Narasimhan used to say, think off the top. I cannot help thinking. Do not castigate me as being frivolous, certainly not. I cannot help thinking that as he embarked on his celestial voyage, he stopped by at the TIFR library to browse through some publications to ponder over in his final resting place. Every one of us who can proudly call ourselves colleagues and felt his awe-inspiring presence through our veins in the 3rd floor corridor of School of Mathematics will vouch for the fact that we carry a spark of Emerson's soul when a mathematical insight suddenly pops up before our intuition.